Hi Vintage Bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy cherry crumble. This easy old-fashioned cherry crumble is bursting with warm, sunny, ruby red cherries. The bright sweet filling is dusted with a crispy crumble crust for that perfect, soft, crunchy balance. This ruby red dessert is extremely quick and easy to make and only requires 8 ingredients from filling to crumble topping. Or turn it into a rustic cherry pie by making the dessert inside of a baked pie shell. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make an old-fashioned cherry crumble. I'm going to make this dessert in an 8 by 8 inch square casserole dish and grease the insides lightly with butter. This is just going to help everything slide out easily as I go to serve my dessert later on. Now I'm going to take 3 cups of pitted cherries and place them into the dish. You can make this dessert any time of year by using fresh or frozen cherries. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of cornstarch on top and drizzle over 1/3 of a cup of corn syrup. For the crumble crust, in a large bowl, I'm going to cream together 1/3 of a cup of softened butter with 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar. Then sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, add in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients into the butter mixture until I have a soft, crumbly mixture. Sprinkle the light, sugary crust over top of the cherries. And that is it. This easy dessert is ready to go into my preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is lightly golden. Allow the dessert to cool slightly and then scoop out a generous helping. Top this dreamy rustic dessert with a big scoop of ice cream to melt and meld into the fruit for the perfect decadent summery treat. Or top with a cloud of fluffy whipped cream for the perfect end to any meal. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.